Hi students. Generally, it's very a tough task to find the cube root of a number in just a few seconds. I'm going to explain you a trick before you. This is just a trick and you can apply this trick in lot of questions in order to find your cube root in just a second. For that only, you have to memorize this chart, which is very easy to memorize. We know that the cube of the 1 is 1, 2 is 8, 3 is 27, 4 is 64. That means 4 into 4 into 4, we have 64. Clear? In the same way, the cubes of the 5 is 125 and the cube of 6 is 216. Cube of 7 is 343 and cube of 8 is 512 and 9 is of 729. And we have to apply this cubes in finding the cube root of any number of different digits. For example, the first case which I have taken here, which is the 5832. This is a 4-digit number. This is a 4-digit number and we have to find the cube root of this number. Okay. For this, the trick is that you first simply take the last 3 digits of the number. Okay. And just observe that the unit digit which is written over here in the number, which is 2. Now you have to search here the cubes which have the unit digit same as the 2. We find it, the cube of the 8 is 512 and the unit digit in the cube of the 8 is 2. So we just simply take the 8 over here. In place of this, we write just only 8. Now we left over digit with 5. Now here, we don't search for the unit digit. We just take it 5 as a whole, and when we observe here, the cube of 1 is 1 and cube of 2 is 8. So 5 is in the middle between 1 and 8. So take the lower digit, that is 1. Okay. That means if we multiply by 18 into 3 times, okay, we get the same number, that is 5832. I think the trick is very easy and very simple. Okay. You can apply these tricks in any of the questions having 4-digit number. Okay. Now the second number I am going to take, which is of 5-digit. Okay. The number is 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. And now we have to find the cube root of this 5-digit number. Okay, the process is same. We just take 3 digits from the right side and observe the unit digit, which is 8. Now we find the number which have the cube has 8. So we observe it. If when we find out the cube of the 2, we get 8. So we just take the number 2. Clear? Now we left over with 32. So just don't take the unit digit 2, but just check the whole number 32 in your list. Now 32 is greater than 27 and less than 64. Okay, that is 32 is in between 27 and 64. So 64 is greater than 32, so we just opt for 3. That is 32 is the cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. I think the trick is very easy. Now I am shifting to next digits number. Okay. Now the next number I have taken over here, 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 1. Okay. Now if we have to find the cube root of this number, just observe how many digits this number have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the 6-digit number. That is 3 digits are over here and 3 digits are over here. Okay. Now again we follow the same trick. In the unit place we have 1 and we have to check 1 from our list and we get over here 1. Okay. Now all the three numbers we have to check, and we have not go for 3. We have to check for the whole of the number 753. So it goes over here, and the cubes of the 10 is 1000. So it goes with the 9. Okay. So we have the cube root of this number is 91. I think the trick is so easy.